workout, dude. Hardcore.
Not hurting anything but these.
He's getting ready to cut that limb out of the top of there. This is Mickey at Briar Davy Daily for him.
If you can get back, once you get up there, walk over to the trunk and cut it right there and let it go. No.
Why not?
No, I didn't think about it.
Oh.
I didn't think about it using this. Yeah, buddy. That rope's a little thick, man.
Uh-huh.
That should be good right there. If you take your foot, your knee extender off, you should be able to get over there and land it around the main other tree. I'm hoping if you cut it in the middle, it's going to fall both ways. Hey Ben, welcome to as high as you've been so far. You've officially hit the 25-foot mark. That's how we keep up with it. Just take that, hook the clip onto the metal rings where your feet are. Now the where your foot loop goes through around your foot on that. Hook it there, and then take the whole thing and clip it on that blue carabiner behind you. Yep, good deal.
We're supposed to start a new row.
Huh?
We're supposed to start a new row.
I think I'm gonna have the guys come back and look at the shot. You want to keep this or?
No, y'all take all of it you want. I got plenty. What I'm gonna do is work up the limbs. And if y'all want all this right here, take it.
All right, take that. Take your orange lanyard and lanyard where your left hand is. That'll be your security. You're doing good, dude. Super good. That's it. That's all I'm saying, right there. He gets on to me for building him up too much. Whole time, like, you're doing great, man. You're doing great, man. Awesome, yeah. All right, so take your tail into your rope. Now that you're steady and you're comfortable, pull it all the way up and drop it directly underneath you so it's not around nothing. And once you do that, I want you to cut that chunk to the right.
All right.
You got to make sure your rope's not in the way for it. Yeah, your elbows are freaking red from here. I can see it. Look at them on the back. We should never arm wrestle.
This has never been a lot of things.
My arms are getting tired. I know his is.
Perfect. All right, stand it about a foot out to the right of your foot. Whenever, take your break, dude. Take a break. Get comfy. Take your break. You ain't in no hurry. You can send the left first, the right first, whatever you want to do. It's your call. You're climbing.
I think they'll both go wherever I start.
Do what?
I think they'll both go wherever I start.
If you do that, then do you have anything to stand on that's not them? Alright. So I would stand out, like on where your left foot's at now on that little limb. I'd stand out and cut it right at your right foot then, if you got that. That way when they pivot, it don't pull you with it.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Ben, he likes the pants.
I know.
He said, I know.
I'm wearing them.
I didn't say a word.
You didn't have to say it. I'm talking to you, it's okay.
There's no expression on my face.
Just be careful not to cut your climb line.
Yeah.
It seems to get in the way a lot. take your climb line and hook it behind your back. So it'll hang off your butt. Yep. You got something back there?
That's that blue one.
Yeah, that'll work. It'll keep it out of your way. Remind me to put a mini on the back when we get done. Yeah, I got 2 chest harnesses. I should have put one on you. That'd been a lot easier. Take your time, cut slow. There you go, good job. You're on the dogs, you won't go down no further. The dogs are dug in. Use the tip of it. He said karate chop. Good job, buddy. Good job, dude. Ain't that like the funnest thing ever? You look really tired already.
It would be the funnest thing ever if I wasn't 4 up already.
That's true. So that left one over there, you might have to go down and cut the tip off of that. So go down, like throw your rope over that curl limb underneath your butt there. Throw it on the outside of that and go down the outside of it and see if you can get over to that, cut that tip loose, and then let the chunk fall.
Sorry about that. My arms are getting tired and trying to watch and video at the same time.
Say it again.
Hang on.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's gonna put down and take the bus on that. Funnest part right now, Ben.
What's the best way to like restart them and down to get the one side?
What'd you say?
So the funnest part is right now.
Still in here.
The funnest part is right now.
Ah.
They get super hot.
That's good.
I've took them off before and taken them in gas. Mixed gas.
It's like a nice place that jumps up in the shop, like that.
Yeah.
The only thing I can get off. Sometimes mineral fish are good.
You're looking good, buddy. You got a good clear path to drop at right there?
There's some sort of little shed looking deal.
Is it already finished?
No.
It's a little wishing well.
Tell him go ahead.
What?
Tell him go ahead. If it hits it, don't worry about it. Ben, if it hits it, don't worry about it.
Supervisor. We have to have a supervisor.
Oh. Way down here?
Alright.
Yeah, we threw some in, I think it was about, that's right.
Yeah.
Well, he's got to where I can't see.